Hello guys, hope you are good. There is several questions about why I put the rods facing land and not the normal way facing to the ocean. Well, first of all, the way I do it because in my opinion, it's the best way to detect also if there is a fish there without me be all the time looking to the rods. And that's a technique I learned many years ago with another guy. What we figured out was this. I'm going to try to explain. So normally this is the ocean. So this is the ocean, and this is let's call the sand. So in a regular situation, we put the rod vertically. So it's like, let's call angle 0. So it is this lines here, intermittent line, as you can see here. But what we do, or what I do, is I give like a 10 degrees to the front. So I put my spike in an angle more or less 10 degrees, so a little bit to the ocean, the angle for the ocean. So what this means, if you see also, I use a screw somewhere in the middle of the spike, somewhere here. So that means that my reel, it's not seated on top of the spike. So means there is less resistance to the rod rotate in case a fish bites. What's happened now is this. So imagine this. The fish bites, the line is pulled. When that happens, because this is so loose, the weight that is this side, and do the angle that the rod have to the front, this is going to rotate to the front. So naturally, when there is a fish, a bite, this, because it doesn't have resistance, is going to rotate to the front. So now what's happened? Because I have 3 rods, I have two rods with reels facing land and one with a reel facing to the ocean. This means what? This means that I have a fish. Okay, this is the quickest way to me to detect that I have a fish. Okay, it is a method that I use for several years. I know a lot of people don't understand, but you know what? I learned, and my experience says that is a good way to detect if there is a fish. Of course, each one of you can do what you want. I don't care, but this is the way I do it, and I do it for several years, and works really great for me. Okay, hope you learned something today, and enjoy your fishing guidelines.